In 2024, Facebook Messenger does not explicitly notify you if someone is on another call. However, you can infer it through certain behaviors and app indications. So, here is how you can check it. Firstly, open the Messenger app and start a conversation with the person. Then, simply hit the call button available there in the top right corner of your screen. If the person is on another call, you might encounter like this. It shows that the person is in another call. You can also check last active status. If you don't want to give a call, open the chat with the person on Messenger. Look for the active status below their name. If active now, that indicates they are online but maybe still be on another call. And if it shows active dash minutes ago, it indicates they have not been active recently, so a missed or unanswered call may be unrelated. So that is it. Messenger does not provide explicit alerts about someone being on another call without giving them a call. If knowing their availability is critical, direct communication is your best option. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.